What's up, YouTube? It's been like a month. I've been working my second job. I don't really... Other job. Yeah, we'll go with that. Anyways, I've been working the Little League World Series. So I haven't had time to do anything because it's pretty long hours and whatnot. But anyways, I don't know if you can tell by the way I have the camera facing now, but we are not in the Focus and we are not in the Titan. We are actually in the Mom Taxi, the Altima. I'm gonna do the first mod. Well, I already did the first mod. I actually filmed everything. I washed the Focus. I did all kinds of stuff today, and I actually filmed all of it. And when I went to transfer my files to start editing, everything's gone. Long story short, I have been wanting to upgrade the headlights in this car for ever since we got it. Halogens suck. Everyone knows it. They're terrible. So anyways, a company that I follow on Instagram and that I've done my research on before I saw their post and all that, you know, like I was actually going to purchase this product. Anyways, they posted on their Instagram a giveaway for, you know, a free set, whatever. I don't know how, but I won. So I reached out to the company, you know, and I said that I was going to do a YouTube video, and, you know, like normal, when I buy something, I always, you know, reach out to the company and tell them, hey, I'm a YouTuber, I'm going to put it on, blah, blah, blah. Anyways, if you guys are interested in getting a set for yourself, check the website out in the description. There's a link there. And use promo code CARDUDE10 for 10% off. And I don't have the box or anything now because I threw it away, but hey, I do have this. So that's the company, Last Fit. They make any kind of lights that you can think of, you know, interior lights, dome lights, exterior lights, any size, almost every size you can think of they have. And they are the brightest that I could, you know, that I've found. I've done, you know, I've seen other YouTubers, Instagrammers, blah, 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 that, you know, they use them, and they're always like that, you know, you have like the side-by-side comparison or whatever, which if you go to my Instagram, you'll see that, and that is at @justanother_cardude. They're brighter than, you know, all the other brands that, you know, I have in my Titan or the Focus, which you can't see, but it's in the barn. Anyways, they're brighter. They're the best on the market that I've found. I personally think that. And like I said, promo code CARDUDE10, 10% off your order. Use the link in the description. So if I would have had my original recordings, you would see exactly how to do this on a 13 Altima. Anyways, there's a couple clips in here in the fender liner and a couple screws underneath here that you have to take out. You have to turn the tire that way. To get this one out, you just pull it out and you can pull the bulb out. It's like, you know, normal plug and play. The lights are anyway. Take the old one off, put the new one in, stick it in the housing, and you're good to go. So I'll turn them on, show you guys. Alright, so there you've seen them. It's not dark out yet, but when it does get dark out, I will come outside and turn them on. I'll turn the car around because you're not really going to be able to see with these big plants. Anyways, so yeah, I'll turn the car around that way, and you'll be able to see just how bright these lights actually are. Like I said, they're 100% plug and play. They have built-in fan, you know, they go right in. Yeah, anyways, so let me know in the comments below if you guys want me to buy LEDs for everything in this car, like marker lights, turn signals, reverse lights, the tail lights, everything in here. Well, I don't know why I'm pointing to that because they're already LEDs, but you get the point. I'll, you know, 100% do every bulb that's in this car LED from Last Fit. as long as they have it, which they probably will. If I get enough people to comment and like the video. Like I said, promo code CarDude, links in the description, 10% off for the best LEDs on the market. Be able to see, but headlights are off. Now they're on. You can hear the fan, I think. You guys might not be able to hear them. But anyway, yeah, you can't really. I don't think you guys can see anything. See right here on the bush? Right there. Off, on, off, on. Anyway, like I said, you're not really going to be able to notice. So, I'm going to turn the car around, and I guess I'll show you when it gets dark out, which is like an hour or two from now. Like I said, I washed the Focus and everything. I pulled it out of the barn and all that good stuff. But anyway, I gotta pick up the hose and, you know, do some other stuff. Catch back up with you guys when it's dark out. Alright guys, it's pretty much dark out. Still a little light, but you'll be able to see how bright these lights really are. I have two other, I don't know why I'm showing you can't see. I got two cameras set up over there. So when I back out, you guys, you know, that's how I'll do it. But I'm gonna start the car right now after I turn these lights off. Now it's dark, you can't see me. Holy crap, they're bright. Not gonna show you guys quite yet, but I'm telling you, they are bright. I'm just trying to turn around right now, guys, so bear with me. Trying not to hit the other cameras. Alright. Bam. Those suckers are bright, and that's just low beam, like I said. Didn't replace the high beam lights. So, I'm gonna back in here. We'll go from there. I wish that I had something that I could like shine the lights onto, but I really don't. I mean, there is a house right there, but I don't really want to shine the lights on it. Just trust me, they are freaking bright. 10 times better than the crappy halogens. I might need to do a little bit. Let me find a light here. Ah, there it is. I might need to do a little bit, you know, of adjustment up and down, but I think they might be alright. My wife's car, so Next time she drives at night, she'll let me know.